Maybe you're going to a wedding, maybe you're going to a fine dining situation, maybe you're trying to impress somebody's parents or a business partner, and you're going to a scenario in which you're doing some negotiations. You want to make sure that you communicate with the server without speaking to them.
Hi, my name is Tina Leader, and go ahead and subscribe. And of course, hit that bell button if you haven't already.
So here is what you need to know as far as utensil setting and what it means. Maybe you're simply resting so you can have a conversation with another person. Maybe you're a little bit feeling full, you're not sure where you are, and you want to place your setting down. Don't just set it away like it doesn't matter. You want to set it down properly. Do this triangular angle of setting down your utensils. So if you're demanding the next course, make sure your fork is placed down and your knife is up. So you have a cross motion here. Now this is really only in a case where there's multiple courses. Let's say you had your salad, and then now you're going to have your steak, and then you're going to have your fish, whatever it is. This is indicating that I am ready for my next course here. All right, another scenario is in which you are finished with your meal and you just want them to simply take away the plate. Place the fork and knife facing towards you like so. Now, if in a scenario you are just wanting to communicate to the server that this was an excellent meal, all you have to do is go and put it to the side here, right? So have it on sideways, and then it's indicating again that you are finished with your course, but you're just letting the server know that this was an excellent meal. However, if you want to indicate that you hated it without communicating or speaking to the server, you actually go ahead and cross. You do a cross motion and you want them to just take it away. I hated this meal. So that is how you communicate that to the server. If you found this one helpful, then maybe you might enjoy my other dining etiquette series. So click on the playlist that is popping up right now or in the description, and I will see you on the next video.